Hello everyone, my name is Shlok Gujarati. In this video, I am going to explain a reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate is the interest rate at which RBI borrow money from commercial bank. When bank have extra cash, they park their money with RBI and earn interest at the reverse repo rate. Uh, if increase, RBI increase reverse repo rate, bank earn more by keeping money with RBI. Less lending to public. Money supply will be decreased and inflation falls. If RBI decrease repo rate, reverse repo rate, then bank lend more to public. More supply, more money increase, money supply increases, economic activity increase. Example: if a reverse repo rate is 3.35%, RBI pay a bank 3.35% interest on their surplus fund. Uh, simple, simple meaning: reverse repo rate help RBI absorb excess liquidity from the system.